You have only two options this year. Either start your own business and become financially independent or settle for 9 to 5 slavery. But there are two main reasons stopping you from starting a business: lack of funds and not having experience. So you are afraid of failure. But what if someone tells you some business ideas that require no experience and investment to start? I'll guide you through my own experience as I started a business from zero a few years ago. Now let's discuss the 7 incredible business ideas that are perfect for beginners looking to start their business journey. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or build a $1 million empire, these ideas have proven market demand and high profit potential. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss out on these opportunities. Alright, let's kick things off with an idea that's not only easy to start but also incredibly lucrative. With over 85 million dog owners in the US alone, the demand for pet care services is through the roof. Starting your own dog walking business requires minimal experience and can be scaled up to offer additional services like pet sitting. Imagine being the go-to person in your neighborhood for keeping our furry friends happy and healthy. With the world shifting towards sustainability, there's a massive demand for eco-friendly products and services. Whether it's creating reusable shopping bags or starting a beekeeping business, there are endless opportunities to tap into this booming market. Who doesn't love getting a surprise package in a mail every month? That's where subscription bulk services comes in. By curating and delivering a selection of items to subscribers on a regular basis, you can provide a unique and personalized experience with earning recurring revenue. From niche themes like awkward moments to pet shaming, the possibilities are endless. Speaking of sustainability, let's talk about sustainable e-commerce. With consumers becoming more conscious of their environmental impact, there's a growing demand for eco-friendly products. Whether it's reusable food containers or ethically sourced clothing, launching a brand that offers sustainable alternatives can be both profitable and fulfilling. If you're passionate about coffee, why not start your own specialty coffee brand? With coffee being a $495 billion industry, there's a plenty of room for small brands to carve out their niche. Whether it's sourcing the finest beans or creating unique blends, the possibilities are endless for coffee lovers. Alright, let's shift gears and talk about something that's been booming in recent years. If you have a skill or expertise that you are passionate about, why not share it with the world? Whether it's cooking, photography, or even poker, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Plus, with the online education industry projected to reach to $40 billion by 2027, there's never been a better time to get started. And there you have it, guys. Incredible business ideas that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're a dog lover or eco warrior or a coffee lover, there's something for everyone on this list. So what are you waiting for? Pick an idea that you like, roll up your sleeves, and get started. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to this channel.